Welcome back, my family, to the the Trader channel. And again, I do appreciate you guys tuning in. And so today I just want to give a quick recap of my week. I only traded for, let's say, 3 days this week. Quick summary. I had 2 wins, 1 loss, for a net win rate of about 66 or 67%, as you can see here on the screen. These were the 3 stocks I bought. I bought them on, I think, May 4th, the 5th, and the 6th. Yesterday when I went to trade, there was nothing to trade. I didn't find anything, and today I had a lot of work to do, so I could not get away to kind of make another trade. So I did end the week with 3, and again, like I said, a win rate of about 67%. The total value of my account is a whopping $25.30. I'm going to add another $15, increase it a little bit to make it, or try to add another $25 to make it even 50, and slowly but surely get it to that level. There is one thing I want to bring up. I got a comment from one of our family members, Eroy, I think it's pronounced ERROLY 100. He made a good comment. I had heard this before, but I never thought to do it. But he mentioned having journal, to create a journal. So what I did was I took his advice and kind of created a journal from something else that I had. So I want to just kind of pull it up real quick. This is the journal, and basically it gives the breakdown, as you can see in my trades. Okay, the wins. Total trades 3, 2 wins, 1 loss. The whopping 21 cents loss, 17 cents win. That's obviously subtraction, so the total. But anyway, here's just the dates, the days of the week, and then the stocks. It was a day trade, as you can see: equity, long position, momentum, strategy. So basically, it gives you the breakdown, and it comes over here per share. I bought 1 share at a price. It gives you that. It gives you the total profits, and then it gives you the actual win and then losses and the rate of return. Okay, which I think this is pretty cool. Gives you the exposure that I exposed, so that's because I only bought 1 share, so I was exposed to that. No commissions right now. And then the gross that I would have won on that. Okay, so we got 1 win, 2 wins, 1 loss, and basically I gave the breakdown so that I know what I did wrong in the future, so that I can take a look at it and then kind of analyze it and get a perspective on some things that I need to change going forward. So again, this is pretty much my week. I was hoping to get another trade in today, but unfortunately, like I said, I got a little too busy. Mother's Day weekend coming up, and then my son's birthday, so I had to take care of that kind of stuff. But all in all, I started the week, as I said, with $25. The strategy, I wanted to simply prove that it worked. At the end of the week, as I said, I got like 66%. It's not retirement money, obviously, but it's proof that the concept is working. And I just need to do a little bit of tweaking, and hopefully next week it'll be a little bit better going forward. But I also, as I said, I'm going to add a little bit more money, and little by little. And so again, the ultimate goal of this channel is to see if I can start to add money toward a retirement account. But in the process, I want to be able to kind of show you guys, really how it is. I looked at, as I said, a lot of other videos, and everybody shows you, oh yeah, make 500 to 300,000. Oh, do this and do that. But none of them really show you, the struggle going forward. So that's what I'm attempting to do: show you the struggle, show you how real it is. But then also, at the end of the rainbow, I'm hoping to show you that it works. So that's the ultimate goal. But anyway, without me belaboring, if you have any questions, concerns, any ideas that you want to share with me, definitely put that in the comment. But also subscribe so I can get this out to other people who might, see some value in this. Because again, I'm doing this for you as well as myself. But again, I think you can learn through my mistakes, and somebody who's really, trying at the bottom. Because again, it's no fluff. No hype. It's just simply, me trying to make it happen, and hopefully, you learn something and copy me. All right. Well, like I said, I don't talk about it. I strictly be about it. You guys have a good weekend, and again, subscribe and hit the notification button so you know when I put another one out there. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.